feel me.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably like, why is she so excited? Did the girl win the lottery? But no, I did not. I wish I did, but I still didn't win the lottery, you guys. So today in my video, I am super excited because I received my very first Vox box, and this is from Influenster, or some people call it Influencer, and this is where you discover products, you review products, and you share products. So I got my first box. And I'm so excited because I've seen a lot of girls get these boxes, and I always wanted to start receiving products that way I can help companies and give my own personal reviews, and not only help companies but help other people when they are deciding what products they should buy, what products should they not buy. I love the Influencer app because it has products from a wide range of things, okay? There's makeup products, there's regular skincare products, there's food products, just a whole bunch of products. So I'm so excited to receive the Year of the You box. I did receive some great products in here that I'm so excited to share with you all today. This is my very first Vox box, and I did join Influencer probably about 8 or 9 months ago. So right whenever you join and you join the app, you don't receive a box right away. It's kind of at random. So now I'm going to just tell you guys a little bit about what the Influencer app actually is. Hey you guys, so the Influencer app is really cool. You have your own name, you have your username, and then you can set your own profile and everything. And it's kind of like you're setting your own profile. It's kind of similar to Instagram. You can put your own bio in it. And then it also gives you an impact score. So right when you create your account, you have to basically connect all of your social media that you have. So for me, that was, I believe, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. And it combined all of my friends together. And my current impact score on the app is 5,354 people, but nobody is following me, and I do have 4 badges. So on this app, you can just go look up random products or just review products that you currently use in your everyday routine. And you just keep reviewing those products, and then people can let you know if your review has helped them or if they found it useful, and if it kind of made them buy the products that you're currently using. So the app is always asking you questions. You might have some snaps that you have to complete, and basically the app is just asking you, you know, what kind of eyeliner do you use, or what are the most like facial skincare products that you use, what brands do you use for your hair, because they're trying to get to know you. So every now and then you're going to receive a group of questions, and then you're going to be able to get a different badge. So after you complete the questions that they ask you, you just get different badges. So when you are picked to get a Vox box, it's normally just at random, and that's basically how they pick you moving forward. But it's a really cool app. You can go on there, and there are articles about different products that come out, all the different new products that come out. You can see other people reviewing products, and then you can also communicate back and forth if you do follow people and you want to know more about the products that they use. I'm super excited about this because I'm still a small YouTuber, so I don't get PR packages. I don't get a whole bunch of free products from different companies. I'm not there yet, but Influencer is a great way to make you feel like you're a real influencer, and it's a way for you to get free products and you don't have to pay anything. Everything is complimentary. All they want in return is for me to share the products with the rest of the world and let you guys know how it works, and then I just have to go on my app and I just have to go review those products that they've sent me. Everything we receive from this company is absolutely free. Once you get a notification that you've been in the Vox box campaign for the month, they'll go ahead and send you an email and be just like, hey, you know, you're picked, and then you just have to basically put your email, and then they'll let you know whenever your Vox box is on the way. And then once it is sent to you, you will see that you will have some questions to answer about the product on the app. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. So this is pretty much how my box looks. It says, it's yours, share it with the world. Influencer, discover, review, share. All right, so let's go ahead and open up this Vox box. But yeah, you guys, so it took me like 10 months before I actually got my first own Vox box. I did about 70 reviews on the app, just of random products that I use around my home and things like that. And then I finally got picked for this box. I received a few random products, and they range from a different variety of things. So I'm just gonna go over these things one by one just to show you what I got in my box. But you got some of these boxes, I mean, you got like L'Oreal makeup, and you just got all kind of just different like top name brand stuff, and you be like, that person got all this stuff for free. Like, this is what I love about Influenster. You never know what you're gonna get. So the first thing I got is some Classico organic roasted garlic pasta sauce. So I'm super excited about this because I do use pasta sauce whenever I make my spaghetti. I think this is the easiest way to go if you don't really know how to cook like that. I think pasta sauces are a great way to go ahead and just create the sauce without having to worry about making it homemade and making it still taste good. You know, these are kind of already flavored. Like I said, this one is the roasted garlic kind, and it is organic, so that's also a good thing that this is really healthy. So I can't wait to use this when I make my next spaghetti. So that's the first thing I got. The next thing I got was the new Suave Dry Spray, instantly dry, 48-hour protection, wild cherry blossom antiperspirant deodorant. Okay, so this is really cool. It smells really good, you guys, but I do notice that it has aluminum in it, and I do not use deodorant with aluminum because I have extremely sensitive skin. So I'm probably gonna go ahead and give this to my cousin and see how she likes it, and then based on that, I'll go ahead and review the product. But unfortunately, I won't be able to wear this, like I said, because I don't use any products with aluminum on my underarms. But this is the second product I got. The third product I got is the Gold Bond Ultimate Skin Therapy Lotion, and this is the Overnight Deep Moisturizing Lotion, okay? And it says that it's hyaluronic acid, melatonin, and antioxidants, and it has a calming scent. Now, this penetrates your surface layers of your skin up to 10 layers deep. So I'm excited about this, okay? Because I know sometimes y'all be having to miss the brown knees, it be a little ashy, okay? And my elbows be a little ashy. So I'm excited to use this, you guys. And it says that it's clinically tested and it's proven effective. It says it works through the night, so you wake up to soft skin that looks rejuvenated and healthier looking skin. So I'm definitely one of those people that be using the Dollar Tree baby lotion, you know, the stuff that you put on and then you ashy like 2 seconds later. That's the lotion I'll be using. I know I'm wrong for that, y'all, but that's what I'll be using. So I'm excited to try this Gold Bond. I do see a lot of Gold Bond commercials, and I think my dad uses this on his feed. I don't know, but I'm so excited to use this product. This is the third thing that I got. And then the fourth thing that I got is some Bring the Salon Home Kiss True Volume Lashes, okay? And these are 100% natural hair lashes, and it's in the style KTVL05 62586, and it says 97% of lash users feel the difference, okay? So it's saying basically their lashes have a more tapered end, and other lashes have a more blunt end. So these are supposed to have a more natural feel to it. So I'm excited to use these Kiss lashes. And recently I just went to Vegas and I had on lashes like my whole trip. So lashes is definitely something that I'm really liking. I mean, it really brings out your eyes and they really pop out. So I'm excited about this. And then lastly, the last product I did get was the Bring the Salon Home Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. And this is some latex-free glue. It's super strong hold and it's waterproof and it's also clear. And it does have a little brush on it to use whenever I apply the eyelashes that I choose to wear. But I'm so excited to try out these lashes and this glue. Like I said, recently that's something that I've just gotten into. And then it just gives me a nice little card saying everything that I got. So it looks like the Classico, the pasta sauce, those normally start at about $2.78 at your local stores. The Gold Bond lotion was listed at $7.99. The Kiss lashes, they range from $3.99 to $6.99. And then the Suave Dry Antiperspirant Deodorant, those normally start at $4.49. So it kind of gives you a little list of everything. On this card, it basically tells you what you received in your package. It gives you all the social media handles to those specific brands that created the products, as well as the pricing. So that's pretty cool, especially whenever we're trying to review these cards make it a whole lot easier to share with you all to kind of know a little bit about the product. But I'm super excited. So everything in this box, you know, these are not little cheap products. So I'm very thankful to be able to actually help these companies and review some of these products. Like I said, this box, it kind of caught me off guard. but I'm so excited to have the Year of the You box. So now all I have to do moving forward, I'm just gonna go ahead and log into my app, and I'm gonna go ahead and check out the campaign, answer the questions that they gave me on these products, and then I'll go ahead and test out the products, and then I'll post on my social media. So be sure to follow me on my social media, on my Facebook, Taylor Bob, my Instagram _Real Southern Belle. If you're watching my YouTube, here I am. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And then you can also follow me on the Influenster app. I'm gonna go ahead and leave all of my details on how to join and how to become a part of Influenster, and hopefully you guys can get a free box one day as well. But thank you guys so much for watching my video. I did want to share this moment with you all because I feel like I just got a PR package and I'm so excited about it. But that's pretty much it, you guys. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with more videos. See ya.